Ain't no light sparring with heavyweights. Double jabs. When you come in, you gotta sit up that right hand if you do a double jab coming inward. Shit. Nice work. All you gotta do is just score. Get anywhere where your glove is scoring, right? That's right. Make sure you bounce right back. As soon as he scores on you, you score right back on him. You don't give him anything. Good. Up and down, just like that. Keeping it simple. Occam's razor. Great, that's round. Double jabs and feints. Bye, mija. Que Dios te bendiga. Double jabs. Mix up your jab too. I want to see slip jabs and Cuban jabs. Up jabs. Sit on the back foot. You too, Sydney. You gotta make sure, work on your defense. Sit on the back foot. Your defense is off the back foot, okay? Yep, there you go. See what I'm saying? You see what I'm saying? Your D is off the, so if you're tired, be on the back foot.